Hello, greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's quickly learn this wonderful elegant style together. Yes, beautiful. Alright, so what you're seeing on my hand now is ashoke fabric, 4 layers of ashoke fabric, the soft ashoke fabric, not the hard one. Even the hard one can be used for it. Akara can be used for it. So folding it this way, just taking about 20 inches out. Let's just say measurements 80-20 or thereabout. So I started plating it this way. Just pay close attention to my hand. This style is very easy, very simple. Don't tell me this one is hard. You can do it. Just try it. It's very easy, and you see you can even do it more than me. Yes, telling you the truth. Alright, so holding it like this as if it's fan. Pay close attention. I did not use rubber band. No rubber band to hold it. So just do little adjusting here. Fold that side inside, that side that I touched, and just put it inside. Then holding it this way, take it to your back, and then this longer handle, you're going to use it to cross that side that I pleated that look like fan. Just watch what I'm going to do now. I'm still holding it because if you remove your hand, it will scatter. Remember, I did not use rubber band. I'm only using this long handle now to rotate it 2 times. Once you rotate it there, you have secured it. It will not lose again. I tell you, it cannot lose. Alright, so pay attention to what I'm doing now. My hand is still on that pleated side that look like fan. Alright, while I use one hand to twist this remaining side and then wash, then I rotate it 2 times. Pay close attention to my hand now. I rotate it 2 times. Then the remaining flap, now the small one that remain, I just tuck it in. So if you don't mind, you can use your pin to hold it. Alright, I've told you, once you're going to party and you're going to dance a lot and you're going to dance with your head, please always use pin and fasten your head wrap together. Fasten it very well, or else you will dance and your head wrap will be flying one place. Alright, so you can see now, spreading it out, I'll secure that side now so it will not scatter again. So stretching it out, I pin the edge down. Just use office pin and pin the edge down. So what I did to this side now is exactly what I'm going to do the other side. You can see our head wrap is getting ready. Alright, so you can see now, just bring the edge down and pick up your office pin and pin it. The head wrap is ready. We are done tying. What is left now is for you to arrange your head wrap to your desired sizes and shape and all that. Alright, so you can see, very easy, very simple but elegant. So you can quickly do this one. Alright, so the person you're hearing her voice, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel and video, is Demi Gele Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. You can see the head wrap is beautifully and elegantly ready. Yes, so while your personality speaks for you, I keep saying that, let your head wrap shout for you. Look beautiful, look elegant in that party, in that church, in that naming ceremony, anywhere you see yourself, carry yourself with ego. Yes, because your head wrap is beautiful. So please don't forget to drop your like and your comment in the comment section. Please, I would like to see your comment in the comment section. Try it and even post it. I want to see it. Alright, so kudos to you all my beautiful subscribers. You are too beautiful, both new and old ones. You're beautiful. So you that is watching, don't just watch and walk away. Don't be a watcher. Be part of what is going on here. Just follow me. That is just the meaning of subscribe. You're not paying special money. Just with your little data, just press that follow button that you see there. You have subscribed and let us learn together. Yes, so that always and always you have something beautiful to wrap on your head. Alright, so see you in my next